Oh, remember the doll? There she is, Raggedy Ann. I gotta head back to the 99-cent, oh, I should say $1.98 store. I don't have E12 bulbs, but I do got a little issue I may show in another video that may help you out to better understand things. I may be coming to a manufacturer. You better believe it. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be a movie star. I don't know if I want to go get another board and just basically wait for my parts to come in and trace them out. So this way, if something happens, at least I got backup. I know the size. I don't think I want to do that right now. I got what I needed to finish my project. Yeah. Remember the days you used to make bulbs that light up, that you put behind a piece of plastic and you made all these designs? Oh man, I remember those days as a kid. I wish I could be a little bit more organized, put things away where I know where they're at, so I don't have to keep on coming out and giving $1 or $2 here and there. I just don't know where I put the other bulbs, but at least I got these bulbs. Yeah, $2. All right, so this is 60 watts, but I got 15 watts happening as we speak. Solar controller charging a power bank. And also, yeah, I got one in the back that's giving off juice, that's giving my plants some light, giving some love, some sunshine, so it could get some growth and stop losing its leaves. I had to wrap it up in a little blanket, a flannel blanket around the base, the container. Keep it warm. That's what they say. I had so many different things. Root rot, yellow leaf disease, you name it. I don't know what it is. It's a little bit of a culture shock. Fall foliage, got a little stressed out, and it needs some more talking. You want to talk to it? And on that note, have a great day. See you on many other videos to come.